Hello everyone, welcome to this video on Tidycal. My name is Prosper, and in this video I'm going to be giving you my honest review on Tidycal. So if you're watching this video, there's maybe a chance that you have come across the software before, Tidycal, probably on AppSumo, and then you want to be sure if Tidycal is the right software for you to start accepting booking an appointment. Then you're in the right video. Do make sure you watch the video to the end because I'm going to be taking you through all of the things that you should expect with Tidycal and some of the features that it has and some of the businesses that I believe should use Tidycal and some of the features that I think that is not there. So if you're expecting that, so that you won't be disappointed. You won't be disappointed rather. So all of this is what I'm going to be walking you through in this video. So before we get into it, if you are new to this channel, please kindly take out time to click on that subscribe button. It's absolutely free to subscribe. So please take out just like a few seconds to click on that subscribe button right now. All right, so thank you very much if you have just subscribed. I really appreciate it. So with that, guys, now let's get into the video and let me give you my honest review on what Tidycal is, okay? All right, so now we are on the Tidycal page. So if you can see it here, the simple way to book and schedule meeting. Basically, that is what it's meant for booking and scheduling. Now, in terms of the pricing, which is one of their selling points, is that as at the time of making this video, it's just $29. Okay, it's free one-time fee. Okay, you just pay it once and that is all. So this is one of their selling point that makes it different from every other booking plugin that or software that you can find on the internet. You know, some charge monthly fee or annual fee, but this is just a one-time fee of $29. It actually has three pricing plan, which we are still going to get there. Okay, so if you scroll down on their page, this is what the booking system actually looks like once you set it up. And by the way, once you decide to settle with Tidycal, I have a separate video that will walk you through how to create an account and how to set up the booking system, how to add your service or your meeting, depending on what you want to use it for. Okay, you can set your availability and timing and all of this. So you're going to be having something that looks like this. This is going to be the title of the meeting or the service, the duration, the description. Here the client can choose their date and their time. So just do make sure you check the description of this video. I'll leave a link to it. Okay, so if you should scroll down here, but definitely it's from AppSumo, so you can see it here, which has a very good review. And you can see they have a lot of review on their own page. Personally, I don't know why they have to put so many reviews, on their own page. Maybe just to create some level of trust, for anyone that wants to get the software. Anyways, these are some reviews, all of them all looking good and positive reviews. Okay, so now if you come down here, they are saying that why choose Tidycal. Here they are talking about some of the features that you can get with Tidycal, comparing it with other scheduling and booking software that you'll find out there. So unlimited booking types, and then customer availability, add your color, that means you can change the color, maximum calendar connections, group bookings. So you can see some of these features is available from the paid plan, but you can get these first three with their free plan. Okay, so I'm still going to talk more about this when we look at the pricing. Okay, so now let's look at the pricing. In terms of price, so like I said earlier, you can say choose the plan that is right for you. It comes in three payments plan. We have the free, the individual plan, and the agency plan. Okay, so when you choose the free plan, these are the things that you are going to get: your booking page, customer availability. You can embed it on your website, and then translation and localization, customer support, and date pool. Okay, now let me also mention it before I forget. Basically, what this booking Tidycal is very good for is for solopreneur, and I'm glad that they mentioned it here. So basically, it's good for business that you know that it's just one person, and that is because once you are using this Tidycal, you can't have your client or your customer cannot book for another service at that same slot. So now let me explain that real quick. So this is the back end of a free plan of Tidycal, and let me explain what I'm trying to say here. Now, if this particular 15-minute service, a client booked for this service, let's say from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m., okay, for this particular 15 minutes meeting, that time slot will not be available on that same date across other services, okay, or across other booking types like they use here. That's the word they use here. So you need to take note of that. So what that basically means is that even if you have other people or other staffs member that will be available at that time, you won't be able to accept booking around that time. I think that is just one of the shortcomings with Tidycal. Okay, so if you are not a solopreneur, if you have more than one person within your business that is available to attend to meetings or to attend to booking, you won't get that. The only time they can do multiple booking, depending on your settings, which I'm still going to show you in the video I'll be doing next. Okay, you'll find the link in the description. But you can still accept multiple booking within this same particular booking for that same time slot. Okay, all right. So you just need to take note of that. So now let's come back here to compare some of the features. Now you see like the free, the individual, and the agency plan. Now most of the benefit that you're going to get with this plan, you won't get it in the free plan. And you can see XX, everything is just X'd out. Okay, so if you really want to get the best of it, then you just have to settle with at least the individual plan. And the individual plan is about $29. Okay. And these are the features: the custom email, group booking, guest invites, package booking, booking limits, auto create meeting URL, directory access, confirmation, redirect. So basically this will redirect you, your clients, to a particular website or a link after they complete their booking. So all of this is, most of the features is just available in the free plan. Okay, apart from these three that you can get only in the agency plan. Okay. So if then in terms of pricing, for the individual plan is $29, and then the agency plan is for $79. All right. So with that being said, then in terms of support also, you can see it here. They have very good customer support. Although the support here, you're talking to a bot here, so a bot, as you can see it here, but it's very responsive. And if you feel like you are not getting enough answer, you can see I've had a lot of chats with the bot. Then if you feel like you are not having the answer that you need, then you can then message their support via email, and they are also very responsive. Okay, so they have a very good customer support. All right, so with that being said, now what is my final verdict? Now the good side of it is that it's good for solopreneur. Like I mentioned earlier, if you are one business owner, you are the only one handling your business, or you are the only one available to attend to bookings or to attend to meeting, then Tidycal is okay for you. Okay, but if you have other people that will attend to bookings from clients, then you might not, Tidycal might not be able to work for you. Okay, because like I said, the major challenge you have is that time slot. Once the time slot has been taken in a particular service, that time slot will not be available in other services. Okay, or other meeting types. So that's just one of the areas I think booking they might need to just improve on. And another positive side is that it is free for life. You can see it's just a one-time fee. So unlike some other booking software where you have to be paying every month, it's just free for life. And then it's also very flexible to set up. It's very, very easy to set up. Okay, very easy to set up. Once you watch the other video where I'm going to walk you through how to set up and everything, you see that it's very, very easy. Okay, so then the negative side of it, from my own perspective, this is just my own perspective, is like I said earlier, the inability to do multiple booking at the same time slots in other service. So that is just the negative side of Tidycal in my own opinion. So with that, guys, so let me know what you think about Tidycal. And also, what kind of service do you offer? What do you intend to use Tidycal for? So let me know in the description, in the comment section on this particular video. So guys, I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you are still here to subscribe, please click on that subscribe button to subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you very much, and I'll see you all in another video. And don't forget to check the description of this video for the link to watch the video on the complete tutorial on Tidycal. So bye for now.